In the dynamic landscape of workplace safety, understanding and implementing effective fire safety measures are paramount. Identifying and comprehending fire hazards is a proactive approach to fire safety. Regular workplace assessments play a pivotal role in spotting potential risks. Common fire hazards include faulty wiring, the presence of flammable materials, overloaded electrical outlets, and malfunction in equipment. Cultivating awareness of these hazards allows for timely interventions, minimizing the likelihood of fire incidents and enhancing overall safety protocols. Prevention emerges as the foundation of fire safety, encapsulating a series of straightforward yet impactful measures. Ensuring the working condition of electrical appliances, avoiding overloading outlets, and practicing proper storage of flammable materials are essential steps. Regular maintenance of heating systems, installation of smoke detectors, and the establishment of clear evacuation routes all contribute to a comprehensive fire prevention strategy that protects the workplace against potential threats.